Today, we're sharing how to make the Kitchen Sink Burrito by Avocados from Mexico. Start with a plain flour tortilla and drizzle avocado salsa verde across 1/2. Layer slices of skirt steak directly on top of the salsa. Next, add a layer of chorizo right across the beef. Top the chorizo with thick-cut pub steak French fries. Smother the fries with traditional guacamole made with fresh avocados from Mexico. On top of the guac, add roasted poblano pico de gallo and your filling is done. Next, rotate our tortilla with the filling toward you. Fold the tortilla in at the sides, roll the filling forward, and tuck. Now it's ready to sear. Place the burrito onto a hot multi-contact grill and lower the top down to sear the burrito on both sides. Once browned, place the burrito in the center of a warm cast iron serving skillet. Pour chipotle queso across the center and drizzle all across the top. Next, drizzle evenly with avocado salsa verde. And add freshly sliced avocados from Mexico on top. And finish with a generous scoop of roasted pico de gallo. Now you're ready to serve the Kitchen Sink Burrito by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.